right now. Welcome back to the Star Magic Spotlight Press Con! Iba naman yung energy natin today kasi sporty vibe tayo ngayon, guys. So to everyone watching, please do keep all your comments coming. Keep your messages coming as well. We'll try to read that later on. Mag-comment lang po kayo ngayon. Ang daming nagko-comment na parang, tapos na ba? Tapos na ba? No! Ito na guys, mag-start na tayo. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ai de la Cruz. Thank you so much for joining us every month. So para sa mga first time pong sumama sa amin dito sa Star Magic Spotlight Press Con, this is a monthly show we're doing para updated kayo sa mga lives, sa mga happenings, sa ating favorite Star Magic artists. Pag meron silang recent achievements or kung merong upcoming shows or upcoming projects. This is where we tell you guys all about them. Okay? So ngayon naman, ito na, I'm sure hinihintay niyo to. Bago tayo magsimula, gusto namin pasalamatan ng Coffee Project for having us. Thank you, the Coffee Project, for our beautiful venue. And dahil nga ang press con nito, kasama pa rin natin ang ating media friends! Thank you for staying, guys! Maraming salamat po. Okay, so ito na. I will introduce our Star Magic artists for today. Ang ating next batch na mga kasama ay apat sa ating players this upcoming Star Magic All-Star Games. Ang ilan sa kanila ay ilang beses na natin napanood sa court sa Big Two. Pero yung ilan naman sa kanila ay first time nating mapapanood playing this July 20. And joining us today are... Ito na, makakasama na natin siya, Dylan Itavalde from the Smashers Men's Volleyball Team!
Hello!
Mamaya natin makakasama, mapakita. Okay, we also have Ray Pagani and Jazz Dudley, scales of the Lady Setters Women's Volleyball Team, and representing Shooting Stars Basketball Team, Argel Saicon. So mamaya ipapakita na namin sila sa inyo. Pero sa ngayon, actually, meron kaming surprise na inihanda para sa inyo. Let's watch this. The Star Magic All-Star Games are back this year. With returning favorites and fresh new faces in the lineup, fans can expect another round of thrilling, action-packed matches. This July 20 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum, get ready for back-to-back volleyball and basketball showdowns you wouldn't want to miss. One of the players to watch out for is Dylan Itavalde, who's sure to be a key player in this year's games. Known as the astig volleyball ng Pampanga from Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11, Dylan brings solid experience to the court, having played as a setter for the University of the East's team. He has also been busy in the acting department, making his debut in Love at First Spike. On screen and on the court, without a doubt, he is a promising talent to watch out for. Another player in this year's All-Star Game is Rain Barang, who's part of the women's volleyball lineup for the third time this year. Rain first gained recognition as a housemate in PBB Season 8 edition. Currently a college student, she skillfully balances her studies with her showbiz commitments. On top of that, she also competes in beauty pageants and was proclaimed second runner-up in the 2023 Binibining Pilipinas. Now she was given her first lead acting debut in the series Love at First Spike, starring opposite Emilio Diaz. Playing alongside her in Team Lady Setters is Jazz Dudley Scales, who came from the same PBB Gen 11 match as Rain and Dylan. This will be her first time to play in the All-Star Games, making it an exciting event for her and her fans. Known as the optimistic Ate of Dumaguete, Jazz is a ray of sunshine who brings positivity wherever she goes. While she continues to grow her career in entertainment, she also embraces an active lifestyle, being a certified scuba diver and an adventurous soul. And on the court, that same energy makes her a player to watch out for. Now, frontlining Team Shooting Stars in their much-anticipated rematch against Kong TV's Team Bayaman is PBB Season 8 Adult Edition standout, Argel Saicon, playing for the fourth time in the history of Star Magic All-Star Games. Since his PBB stint, Argel has ventured into acting with appearances projects like MK, Darna, and Can't Buy Me Love, to name a few. Known for his athleticism and dedication to his fitness goals, he is definitely able to watch out for. Even more stars are set to shine in the upcoming All-Star Games, including Gerald Anderson, Fiang Smith, JM Ibarra, BGYO's Akira and JL, Venus Nika Lim, Donnie Pangilinan, and many others. Truly thrilling times await on the courts of the Big Dome. Get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Don't miss it on July 20 at the Araneta Coliseum. Woo! Yes, please give it up for Dylan, Argel, Jazz, and Ray! Okay, bati muna kayo isa-isa. Let's start with Dylan.
Hello mga kapamilya na nanonood po dyan. See you sa All-Star Games.
Serious? So serious. Argel?
Magandang hapon sa inyo. Manood kayo ng All-Star Games sa July 29.
Thank you, Argel. Jazz?
What's up, Guardians? Good afternoon and copy-paste din. Manood kayo dapat. See you there.
Rain?
Hi everybody who watches Spotlight Star Magic. Hello po mga kapamilya. We're so excited to bring to you this year's All-Star Games. I'm sure it's gonna be much better than last year. I'll see you!
Sobrang exciting this year. Oo. So, sina Jazz and Rain po from Team Lady Setters. Sila po yung kalaban namin sa Team Lady Spikers. Oo. So, plastika lang po yung makikita nyo ngayon. Talagang magkaaway po kami. Kasi July 20, sobrang exciting. Every time naman may Star Magic All-Star Games, talagang yung competitive spirit ng mga Star Magic artists lumalabas. Actually, magugulat kayo na, may dito usually pero parang, di ba napapatawa si Argel? Parang may naaalala ka, Argel
Hindi kasi kahit sa basketball ganun din, magkakakilala naman lahat. Pero nagpipisikalan pa.
Oo, di ba? Siyempre, lugi sila sa pisikalan sa'yo.
Medyo namin.
Yes, pero sige, kumustahin natin yung mga first-timers natin na mag-join sa Star Magic All-Star Games this year. First time na Dylan and Jazz. Okay, Dylan, ikaw, anong feeling mo na makakasama ka sa Star Magic All-Star Games ngayon? At volleyball pa, first time magkaka-men's volleyball. Para sa'yo ata talaga siya eh.
Sana nga. Hindi, medyo na ako na kinakabahan na masaya. I'm blessed kasi syempre first time magkaroon ng men's volleyball sa Star Magic Games. Ang win-wish ko lang ng mga past years makapanood eh. Pero ngayon maglalaro na ako, so I'm blessed. Happy.
Tsaka ang humble mo naman na kinakabahan ka, ikaw yung professional player na. So, doon po sa mga inakamiss dun sa video, no? Dylan used to play for UE, sa UAAP. So, player talaga siya sa UE Red Warriors, tama ba?
Yes.
Oo, okay. So, ngayong kalaro mo ay mga Star Magic artists, may difference ba sa experience? Kasi nagtatrain na tayo di ba? So, nakakalaro mo na yung mga fellow Star Magic artists mo.
Syempre medyo yung iba hindi ganun ka-athletic unlike yung mga competitive athletes natin sa UAAP. Pero ayun, mas masaya in terms of banters, yung mga kulitan. Dahil syempre, mga artista to mga to eh. Kumbaga yung humor nila, same level. So, doon ako natutuwa. And, of course, syempre, masayang ituro yung mga natutunan ko from playing the sport for the past years. So, ayun, na-share ko yung mga natutunan ko. Nakakataba ng puso.
Dylan, dahil ikaw lang yung representative ng men's volleyball, ang daming curious. Parang sino-sino pa yung mga kasama mo? Ano yung mga experiences mo so far sa training? Meron ka bang nagulat na, uy, ang galing niya Diba? Parang artista siya, hindi naman siya professional volleyball player, pero may laro
Actually, meron akong mababanggit dyan dahil
Sino?
nakalaro ko na sila mostly, lalo na sila Kuya Pat, yung PBB, si JL ng BGYO. Pero si Akira talaga na-start siya from zero, as hindi siya marunong. Hindi siya marunong, pero ngayon, grabe, naabangan niya si Akira, guys. Ang galing ni Akira dito.
May progress, bale. Minsan, yung hindi natin naakalain, biglang gumagaling.
O, Ate Ai, lahat naman may progress, pero yung sa kanya mabilis.
Oh.
Kaya, siya talaga yung tumatak sa akin.
Akira, ma-pressure ka na. Ang taas na expectations namin bigla sa'yo. Okay, thank you sa
Thank you,
pasilip
Ate Ai.
sa amin, sa men's volleyball team. Excited kami dyan kasi first time nga magkakaroon ng men's volleyball sa Star Magic All-Star Games. Okay, ngayon dumako naman tayo sa women's volleyball. Yes, okay. So, girls, how are the preparations so far? Ano share niyo sa training natin? Jazz, first time mo.
Yes, parang kung kinakabahan si Dylan, paano na kaya ako? Na hindi ako marunong, parang first time ko tuloy nag-volleyball sa loob pa ng bahay ni Kuya, pasapa-sapa ako. Kaya paglabas, parang nung sinabihan ako na kasama ako, parang, talaga, hindi kayo nagkamali. Sabi nga din naman ni Cap na parang, train mo na lang. Like, no one really starts na magaling, but at least be present. So yun, I'm learning slowly. They're all like very helpful naman. They're all very sweet. Parang ako lang yung hindi marunong dun eh.
Grabe naman.
Oy.
No.
Hindi totoo kasi naglaro talaga lahat mostly. So parang they're all so sweet and encouraging me na that's okay. Like, can make a mistake. Okay lang yan. Just enjoy the entire game. So yun, masaya naman. And I think one thing that's really beautiful is the bond that we all created. Hindi kami complete. Pero automatic, like there's an instant click na no judgment habang naglaro. So I'm excited, kinakabahan, pero yun. Team captain namin, no?
Ayun na nga. Pero bago tayo mapunta kay Rain, Jazz, ang pwede mo i-share, last training natin, you got the honor and privilege of being trained by Angel Canino of the DLSU Lady Spikers. Pati yung tatay ni Angel Canino nandun po sa mga hindi masyado familiar sa volleyball world, no? Isa siya sa mga best players in the country right now, Angel. So, would you like to share your experiences? Also, Lamps was there from NU.
Yeah, grabe. Na-pressure ako at first. I was like, parang hindi ako makagalaw. But then they were very kind about it. Na parang, it's okay, kasi they're bunso. I mean, they're younger than me. So like, okay lang yan, ate. We can do it. So giniguide na ko. And then the dad of Angel, she was like, nag-one-on-one siya sa akin on how to do it. So, for the first time, guys, napasok yung serve ko.
Yes! Progress again!
Progress! So, sabi ko, oh my gosh. Sabi ko nga, papasok pa kayo next training. Na-abuse. Pero sobrang galing. Like, yun nga sabi ng dad ni Angel. And even si Angel, sabi niya na, Ate Jazz, you can just do it. Timing lang yan. And then you just have to really know the basic skills. And then from there, nag-i-improve. So, that was just in like 2 hours or less than 2 hours in training. But I learned so much. So, the honor is mine. Thank you so much.
Diba? Sino mag-aakala magkakaroon tayo ng ganong chance? So, sobrang bait nila.
Super.
Hindi lang po sina Angel yung makakasama natin, pati sina Bella Belen of NU, the champion team also. Rain, ikaw naman, what can you share about our experiences so far? Bilang ito naman, pagbabalik mo na for your third year, tama?
Yes, my third year na po. I remember I couldn't join 1 year because I was doing Araneta for Binibini. But this time, nakabalik na po kami. Super saya po. Kasi hindi lang po like body conditioning yung ginagawa po namin. It's also like a test of patience. Kasi grabe po yung patience ng coaches po namin. Like I can see it firsthand how patient they are with each player. Kasi iba-iba po kami ng skill level eh. So they really make sure na hindi kami, walang may iwan baga. So they're all teamwork po talaga siya. And ayun, I've had so much fun. Grabe, super fit na talaga ako ngayon. Kasi yung training namin for us girls, it's 2 hours. And then, sumasama pa ako sa boys volleyball team. Kasi gusto ko talagang mag-improve. So from regular service, nag-jump serve na po ako ngayon with the boys volleyball team.
Doon po sa mga nag-aakalang parang si Rain, di ba, mukha siyang hindi makabasag pinggan, di ba, mukha kainin, sobrang lakas niya pumalo, at hindi siya natatakot makipaglaro sa boys kasi kaya niya makipagsabayan sa men's volleyball. Ganun po siya kagaling. So, abangan niyo po siya sa Star Magic All-Star Games. And you were part of the Mythical 16, di ba?
Yes po, from our previous All-Star Games.
Oo, so, aabangan natin yan.
Of course, abangan po natin si Ate Ai. Killer serves po yan talaga palagi.
Always.
Tusok over the net.
Pero taga-host lang din po talaga.
Segway!
Yes. Opo, abangan niyo po. This year, ay, hindi ko pa ata pwede sabihin. Pero I will be having, if I'm not mistaken, 2 male co-hosts na nag-blind item na hindi pa nag-host before ng Star Magic All-Star Games. Bago po. And sobrang gagwapo. Oo, yun yung pwede ko sabihin. So, abangan niyo po sila. Now, mapunta naman tayo. Speaking of gwapo rin, Argel! Ikaw naman ang...
Huwag masyado.
Huwag pa siya. Nahiya siya. So, speaking of gwapo nga, yun. So, ikaw naman yung representative ng men's basketball team. At may rematch kayo.
Hindi, last year Showtime yung kalaban namin.
Ay, Showtime!
So ngayon ComTV, first time namin makakalaban.
So part ka dun sa... Kasi dalawa yung basketball games last year. Isang Star Magic versus Showtime, isang Star Magic versus Com. Ngayon, pinagsama na yung Star Magic na dalawang team. Ang kalaban na, Com.
ComTV.
Okay.
Yan.
Kumusta yung mga preparations ninyo?
Yung iba kasi naming kakampi, hindi pa namin nakakasama lagi. So, nag-a-adjust kahit pa paano. Tsaka hindi kami lagi kompleto kasi busy din. So, bukas, malalaman magkakalaman. Daloy ng training at sana magkaroon ng team chemistry talaga.
Every Tuesday and Friday po kasi yung training. Ganun po kaseryoso talaga. As in, ilang months yung training. Every Tuesday and Friday, yung volleyball and basketball. Okay, so meron ka bang masashare din na magugulat na lang kaming lahat na, uy, magaling pala niya mag-basketball. O lahat ba kayo?
Kasi-
may bago ba?
Ngayon, nahahawakan na ni Kuya Gerald. Kasi alam namin kung paano siya mag-training eh. Kasi tinatawag namin siya Mamba mentality, kumbaga. Kasi grabe yung passion niya sa basketball. So, kung ikaw na tinitrain niya, magkakaroon ka ng respeto sa disiplina niya. So, gagawin mo rin hanggang sa mag-improve ka talaga. So, sa mga kakampi namin na ngayon lang namin na nakasama, for sure may makukuha siya.
Pwede mo ba ikwento paano si Gerald Anderson as a coach, as a mentor?
Sobrang stricto niya. Malala, stricto talaga. Kailangan talaga may disiplina ka sa sarili mo para maintindihan mo siya eh. Kasi grabe yung parang ang galing-galing na niya, nag-pro na siya, nag-MPBL kasi siya. Pero yung training niya, kumbaga after ng work, dapat magpa-basketball muna siya, ganon. So dati umabot kami 1 a.m. sa third floor kasi wala, nag-shooting, skills, tapos workouts, ganun. Malala talaga.
Intense nga. May mga narinig din ako yun na parang, wow, respect. Oo, talagang, ano po siya, seryoso po talaga siya sa basketball. O, hindi pwedeng pakit-pakit
Oo.
lang. Di ba? Pag
Pwede.
Star Magic kasi iisipin ng mga tao, ano ba yun, mga artista naglalaro, baka pakit-pakit lang. Ay, ibahin niyo po. Opo, grabe. Ibang level po ang men's basketball team natin. Dumadayo rin kayo, di ba?
Dumadayo
Out of
din
town.
kami. Umabot na kami ng Cebu, sa Jensan, Sarangani, yan, naikot na namin dyan.
Yes. Okay, so exciting ang mga abangan natin sa July 20. Okay, so ngayon naman marami rin nga questions para sa inyo, ang ating friends from the media. So this is the time where we open the floor for their questions. Okay, simulan natin sa ating first friend from the media, Dan of Capex. At ako po ang magbabasa ng question.
Okay, gusto ko. Kaya anak ng media.
Sa inyo magtatanong.
Saan yung mic?
Shy. Ito. For Dylan.
Yes.
The trailer of Love at First Spike suggests that you play an LGBTQIA+ character. How did you prepare to portray this role authentically while respecting LGBTQIA+ sensibilities?
Actually po nung natanggap ko yung role, sobrang kabado talaga ako. Tapos parang kino-question ko pa yung sarili ko kung kaya ko ba. Dahil nga syempre, medyo sensitive din yung ipoportray kong role and hindi lang siya basta-basta, kailangan ko siya paghandaan. Pero ang unang nilapitan ko po, yung mga kabatchmates po namin sa BBBC, Dongpat, tinanong ko kung sinabi ko sa kanila yung character description ni Ethan. Tapos, paano ba sila kumilos? Ano ba yung iniisip nila behind their minds kung bakit gano'n sila kumilos? Tapos ayun, nag-usap kami ni Direk Ivan and sinabi ko naman sa kanya, ibibigay ko na lahat sa kanya yung tiwala dahil to be honest, I have no knowledge kung paano ba siya gagawin. So, nagpapag-guide na lang ako. And dahil doon, dahil sa guidance ni Direk Ivan, I think I did well naman, di ba Rain?
Humingi ko na support na si Dylan, di ba? Hindi, yun naman yung importante, di ba? To tulad nga ng kanina pa nating sinasabi, hindi ka naman talaga magaling agad. Ang importante, you're willing to learn. Tsaka ang ganda nun na kumonsulta ka pala. Kaya nandoon pa, di ba? Para talagang, kumbaga, may authority talaga dun sa larangan na yun to guide you.
Yes, binisita ko pa sila sa unit nila kasi gusto ko makita talaga yung paano ba kuya to, kuya pa, tulungan niyo ako kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung paano. Ayoko siya gawin ng basta-basta, gusto ko siyang gawin ng maganda. Parang ganyan.
That's respect, Oo. So, parang nag-mini immersion ka. Di ba? Kasi pumunta ka talaga doon, in-observe mo silang dalawa. Kahit na actually nagsama naman na kayo sa isang bahay. So,
Yeah.
dapat na-observe mo na rin sila doon. Pero ito, extra pa. Iba syempre yung nasa labas ng bahay. Okay. So, kwento ka muna kami tungkol sa character mo.
Si Ethan po ay ang main spiker ng Brixton Boys Volleyball Team. And medyo ano siya masculine. So hindi siya masyadong obvious. Though medyo may hints siya na may gusto siya kay... Basta yun. Tapos...
Na-slide, muntik na. Muntik na.
Kung gusto yung malaman kung kanino, panoorin nyo lang yung masusunod na episode. Tapos meron siya magkakaroon siya ng iba't ibang roller coaster emotions dahil nga sa mga plots ng story natin. And then, ayoko na mag-spoil kasi baka ma-spoil ko pa. Basta, abangan nyo na lang. Medyo mysterious pero interesting season.
And since we're on Love at First Spike na rin, Rain, congratulations on your lead role.
Thank you.
Can you tell us about this character? Go ahead.
So this is my first lead role in so many years.
Yay!
Super happy. The biggest blessing of this year po talaga. I'll be playing Farah Salcedo. She's the girls team captain of the girls Brixton Knox volleyball team. She's hardworking. I think we're really alike. Relatable po siya. Tapat na alay sa pinsan niya, si Jaren. He's also part of the LGBTQIA+ community. So for me, I feel like she's like the instrument of bridging everybody together. So she's full of love and ayun, malalaman niyo yung love na yan when you watch it. It's every Friday, 8 p.m. po, Love at First Spike.
Saan nila mapapanood?
Only on I Want. Please make sure to subscribe dahil hindi niyo siya mapapanood if you don't subscribe. But at the same time, I hope you guys can support online. Since it's I Want nga po, you guys can subscribe even in different countries. It's not just the Philippines. So make sure na you guys can watch it. Ayun, every Friday, 8 p.m.
I think we can tell them about Emilio rin, na kasama mo rin dito.
Yes, Emilio's not here, but he's my on-screen partner.
Emilio
sa
Daez.
First Spike.
Oo.
Yun, Emilio Daez is Uno here. He'll be playing Uno Santillan. He's also a basketball player, pero eventually he'll also be a volleyball player. We'll find out. But at the same time, he's almost the center of the story. So we'll be seeing how he revolves around the story within the LGBTQIA+ community. Kung paano natin matututunan how we can be around them and be an ally.
Sabi mo nga, Rain, this is your first lead role. But is this also your first time having a love interest sa story? Si Emilio ba ang yung parang first love?
Yes, actually, feeling ko kasi nahihirapan po sila pagayan ako with somebody before. Because I'm really tall, I have like a masculine dating. So parang ang hirap. Pero with Emilio, it was more natural, like I should say. We're doing really well naman. We had our block screening this June 18th. And we saw the reaction. Super ganda po talaga sa feeling na, oh, it works! Good job, it works! Kasi we really put an extra effort to make it authentic as possible. Ayun po.
Tsaka tama no, sinunod nyo to bago pa pumasok sa PBB si Emilio.
And River as well.
Oo.
Opo. River is also part of the series. He's still in PBB ngayon.
Oo nga. Shout out to
Shout out to
River Joseph. Oo. Na, kasama rin sa Star Magic All-Star Games.
Pati mo si Emilio. Shoutout po Emilio. Maglalaro ka din.
Yes.
Si Emilio ay basketball.
Basketball.
Okay. So, how's it like working with Emilio as his love interest in Love at First Spike?
You know, I really appreciate Emilio po. I feel like not a lot of people see it, of course, syempre kasi we always watch the product of our hard work. Pero hardworking po talaga siya. He really initiates first. And that's what I appreciate. Kasi before, when it comes to like potential love teams, parang I find myself, putting effort. Pero for him, he's really doing a lot of the work, honestly. Pero I appreciate it super. He's really a nice guy. Madali lang siya katrabaho, promise. Super light po siya on the set. And ayun po, super golden retriever energy lang po talaga siya.
Totoo yun, no? By the way, sabi ko nga, magbabasa tayo ng comments. So, meron tayong comment ngayon from Jazzy Balansag. Super Latinas, Rain and Jazz.
Slay!
Thank you so much po.
Oo nga, sofer talaga. Yes,
Sofer.
sofer. Thank you. Okay, now let's go back to the questions of Dan of Capex. Medyo itutuloy lang natin for Dylan. In your future projects, would you rather play diverse character roles or star as a lead actor with a fixed on-screen partner? And why?
Medyo mahirap siya. Feeling ko pwede natin siya i-mix eh. Na diverse yung characters ko. Pwede rin iba-iba yung kasama. Pero pwede rin iisa. Depende sa ibibigay na blessing, Lord. Kasi for me, parang wala pa ako sa level na pipili ako ng project, pipili ako ng kasama. Basta kung anong darating at alam nilang kaya kong gawin or gampanan, siyempre gagawin ko, diba? Blessing yun and work is work. And passion ko to eh. Ito yung pinangarap ko dati pa, and ngayon, ginagawa ko na siya. So, as of the moment po, wala pa pong ganyan naiisip na kung gusto ko nasa love team ako or iba-iba.
Ayun nga, passion mo talaga siguro to for you to leave volleyball, di ba? Kasi may career ka rin doon. Pero parang hindi mo naman iniwan kasi yun din yung ginagawa mo ngayon.
Yes!
Oo.
Oo, tsaka syempre, may All-Star Games pa. Diba? May volleyball pa rin naman. Tsaka hindi ko pa naman siya, hindi pa siya period sa volleyball career ko. Feeling ko kamo pa lang siya. We'll see.
So open pa rin
Open pa
to
rin.
going back.
Of course.
Okay. Oh, sabi ni Rial Higana, gwapo talaga ni D!
Thank you, Rial.
Yes. Ano ka naman, pang finger heart or something? Yes! Ay, may ganun. Okay, Arjas naman! Uy, batiin niyo naman lahat ng Arjas. Ang dami na nagko-comment, by the way.
Magandang hapon mga boss.
Hi, mga boss! Hello, Arjas! Thank
Hello sa
you.
inyo dyan. Salamat sa panonood.
Speaking of Arjas, ito nga mayroong tanong, are you open to working as a love team?
Okay naman.
Wow, wait lang.
Lumabas yung ugat si Josh. Lumalabas yung ugat ni Josh dito.
Oo, syempre.
Sabi no, sa gilid.
Wait lang po, parang hindi
Parang hirap to ah. Parang hindi kami kasama.
Parang bibibi. Nag-shower pa.
Sorry ah.
Anong nag-shower? Teka lang!
Laway daw.
Yung laway kasi. Sorry pa.
Nag-shower ang laway.
No, yeah, parang it's been comfortable din naman working with it. Kasi din Bisaya, tapos we're friends pa before. So yeah, I'm open naman to working. Wala naman problema. Ikaw, may problema ka ba?
Wala naman.
Kinikilig po kami dito sa
Kaya nga eh. So, paano kayo PBB? They're not from the same batch, di ba?
Oo.
So, paano kayo nagkakilala?
Sa probinsya. Ay, sa
Crush na niya ako dati sa province.
Oh my God! So, like, magkabayan kayo, ganun?
Yeah.
Magkaiba lang ng city.
Anong tao? Sige, batiin niyo naman yung taga...
Mayong hapon sa mga taga Negros Oriental. Mayong hapon sa Honolulu.
Sa Batis.
Sa mga taga Bahis, hello. Mayong hapon.
Hello, may hapon sa Negros, may hapon sa taga Dumaguete City, and mga taga Dawin. There.
So, dati pa pala, hindi lang because of PBB. Okay.
Magbabarkada niya naging friend sila ng younger brother ko. Parang nasama yung kapatid ko sa group of friends niya. Yeah, so yun.
Okay.
Crush na niya ako. Sinabi niya sa kapatid ko.
Tapos, paano nabuo yung R-Jazz? Kasi pwede naman magkakilala kayo, pero walang kaalam-alam yung fans. So, paano nabuo yung R-Jazz?
Yung Christmas ball.
Sa Magical Ball.
Oo.
Okay.
May mga nag-upload. Kasi may picture kami nun eh. So, yun.
Sa waiting room kasi, before kami isa lang, nauna ako, nung pumasok siya, same kami ng damit. Santa Claus, oo. Yun yung inspo ng damit. Parang message ko yung inspo ko, siya, Santa. Really kami nag-usap about it. Or like, uy, see you there, ganun.
Parang it's meant to happen.
Why?
It's meant to be. Pero hindi na.
Yun, so parang, kami nagsama sa loob. Like, nag-usap kami, and-introduce ko siya ni na Kai, ni na Rain, ni na Colette was there. And then yun, kasi sa loob, parang different table kasi tagal na siya. So, syempre doon na siya sa mga big stars.
So, di kasama ko yung mga boys.
Oo, kasama niya yung mga boys. But doon sa after party na, parang nagkakasamahan lang talaga. And then yung mga, mga RM namin, yung mga PBB din na stuff before. Ano kasi, parang pinipicturean kami inside, and then kami na nagsama. So, paglabas namin, sinuot niya yung parang wings, yung parang, may candy cane kasi ako na naka-attach sa damit ko. Siya na bit-bit.
Lasing kasi na ako. So,
Hindi
parang-
naman.
Gentleman
Sinuot
ka
ko
lang.
lang.
Oo,
Tas,
gentleman.
ang dami palang tao. So, ayun.
Nakita nila.
Yes, may
So,
nag-upload.
basically, nag-start yung R-Jazz dahil nakita nilang bagay kayo. Ganun ba? Yun yung nakikita ko. Yung parang nakakita lang sila ng pictures.
Feeling ko Ate Ai, the way he looks at her kasi.
Wow!
Ayaw na,
I can see it.
ayaw na nila sabihin eh. Kumbaga, tignan nyo na lang to.
Grabe naman. Okay. So, wala pa kayong project together?
Wala. Then may ginawa kaming music
Music video.
video.
So yun ang first R-Jazz project.
Yeah, hindi pa lumabas. Hindi din namin alam kailan.
Oo, wala.
Malalaman natin sa tagdang panahon. Pero,
Alam na ba ng public kung anong song yun? Sino
yes,
artist?
pero in-announce ng director, nung nag-direct sa amin, it's Ayoko Na by Zion Aguirre.
Oh, so,
Pinost na kasi ng director, so pwede na.
Oo.
Siya yung unang nag-post, so
Public na.
public.
So kung given a choice, ano yung gusto niyo sanang gawin pa in the future together as R-Jazz?
Lahat na.
I mean,
Movie, everything.
lahat na!
Grabe, nakakakapa yun ha.
Bakit parang ayaw ni Arjen?
Bakit ayaw mo?
Nakakapa ako eh. Nagpawisan ako. Joke lang. Ay, ito na naman.
Yeah, so movie, kahit when we were talking, na parang kahit hindi naman kami yung lead, to be part of something na we can work together. Kahit before pa kami nga nagsama ng Sir Magical Bug, parang na-open na niya, uy, baka someday let's work together. Para talagang kami yung may sabi, ay, mga boss, ganyan pa. Pero yun, one of our wishes before pa yung R-Just thing na we can work together in one project. So, anything, rom-com, wag lang horror. Yung talaga ayaw ko.
Okay.
Takutin kasi ako. Though genuine, pero matakutin.
I think yun nga yung mas magiging mas maganda eh, kasi totoo talaga yung sigaw mo.
Pero sino ba naman ako para mag-no? So,
Yeah.
or why not?
Ay, hindi ka
Let's
sa
go.
horror, Arjen?
Oo.
Patay ka.
Kaya niya yan.
Akala ko ba lahat na?
Oo,
Ayun.
Bakit
kaya
may
niya yan.
exception sa
Oh, sige na lahat na po kahit horror. Bukas kasi hapon na umuulan pa eh. Bukas
Ito na lang, kung yayain ka sa horror movie date ni Arjel, papayag ka ba o magnano ka?
Dapat pumayag siya.
Wow!
Okay. Tara, di, alis na tayo.
Order mo ng kape ah.
I feel like sumasabog na yung comment section natin ngayon sa mga R-Jazz ganap. Pero ito sabi ni Jaisel, hindi na ako makafocus sa work ko dito, R-Jazz! Mag-sorry kayo guys. Hindi siya makafocus.
Importante yan. Importante yung work.
Work.
Oo.
Work is
Yun
life.
muna.
Ito naman sabi ni Elmino Riza, pogi niya po talaga, TDH po si Bossing.
Wow, TDH.
Baka lumobo na yung ulo ko dito ha.
Ano meaning mo ng TDH? May meaning ka, di ba?
Ah, tandang di halata.
Yung pala yung TDH.
Yung TDH niya.
Hindi, pero tall, dark, and handsome po talaga si Arjun. Pag nakita niyo po in person. Kaya manood na po kayo ng Star Magic All-Star Games sa July 20.
True.
Ganon. Yes, okay. Punta na tayo sa ating next question. Okay. This is for... Ay, sige. Tuloy-tuloy na natin ang questions ni Mikey Viñas naman of Kapamilya Vines. Okay. For Rain, do you have plans to join pageants again?
Oh, yes, of course. I'm really young, fairly young, 21. So, for pageant age, it's still really young po. So, of course I would. Pero, I remember I joined pageants during the pandemic. So, parang, now that I'm back in the showbiz industry, I'd like to focus muna on what I have now po. Lalo na when we have love at first sight laughs. So, syempre, I want to focus muna and of course, create good relationships within this industry before coming back again. This is a really big process, alam po natin yan. I really want to represent the Philippines, pero pag buo na, pag kaya, kapag laban na laban po. And I know I can't do that yet, so maybe next year. Maybe
She
next
will,
year.
she will.
Tsaka last time, di ba, second runner-up, tama ba?
Yes.
Oo, so, ang konti na lang. Tsaka di ba maraming meeting weeks na gano'n, yung hindi naman talaga first try pa agad.
Opo. Kasi I remember I was 19 that time, so it was big for me at 19 years old. Pero for those watching, hindi siya imposible gawin.
Yes.
Even though may mga kasabay ka mga lawyers and doctors and those who are already experienced in life and much more wiser, hindi po talaga, it's not all about that, of course. So, ayun, try po. Not only me, I hope there's lots of girls out there na mas may courage na po sumali kasi it's not all about that. It's really much more within your purpose. Ayun po.
Thank you so much, Rain. Okay, ngayon naman for Argel. Pinag-uusapan ngayon ang Some Nights I Feel Like Walking na ipapalabas this June 25 to 27 at dahil Pride Month, anong pakiramdam na look forward ng mga tao itong project na ito?
Ano kasi yan indie film ni Derek Peterson. Shoot namin yan 2023 pa ata, so matagal na. So, na-excite din ako kasi hindi ko pa napapanood. At ano kasi to, kwento ng mga kumbaga kabataan na mga lumaking kalye, mga hustlers talaga. So excited kaming mapakita yun sa ibang tao para maintindihan natin sila. Yeah. Kasi hindi natin nakikita yun yung mga side na minsan di napapansin, gano'n. So excited kaming ibigay sa kanila.
Wow, tsaka 2023 pa pala, no? Direct Peterson Vargas, no?
Yes.
Sino pa mga kasama mo dito?
Kasama ko dito si Jo Marie Angeles, si Gold Aceron, tsaka si Tommy Alejandrino. Yan mga ano talaga veterano Oo, mga malulupit. Kaya nung sinod namin to, sobrang nakaka-pressure. Kasi first time ko to Tapos sila parang lagi na nilang ginagawa. Tapos nanalo pa ng mga awards. Kaya yun. Tinutulungan naman nila ako. So, okay naman.
Magandang experience yun yung mapabilang ka doon. Kayo ba guys, meron ba kayong mga dream na gusto niyong makasama sa isang project? Bukod sa syempre kayo, nagkasama-sama na kayo sa mga ilang projects, pero sino yung mga, let's aim high, Kunwari talaga, sky's the limit. Sino ang gusto niyong local artists na makasama?
Ako po si Miss Jody Santa Maria. She's the sole reason why I wanted to be an artista po when I was watching her when I was a kid. Tsaka po, I love her acting range. Super hands down respect po talaga. Kasi she's done roles of horror lately. She's done a horror film. And I remember she said that she had hard time moving on. Kasi you would know if you're an actor na it'll be hard for you to move on from the character. Kasi dun mo nalaman na you really were that person. And I love that about her. Kasi when we're an actor and actress, talagang kailangan maramdaman mo para totoo. And I love that about her. I hope I can meet her one day. I did meet her na pala, but I hope I could work with her. Because I remember the first time I met her, I was like, thank you po. You're the reason why I want to be an artista. Ganun po. And yeah, I hope I can. One day.
Alright. Jody for Rain. Dylan.
Ako naman po si Kuya DJ, Daniel Padilla. Siya po talaga din yung idol ko. Kung si Rain, si Miss Jody yung reason niya, ako si DJ talaga. Si Kuya DJ. Gumagawa pa akong edit sa TikTok dati yung, yung nakalagay doon na, show you and your dream job. Mga ganun. Tapos nilalabas ko yung mga posters ng movies niya, teleserye niya. Then, Katniel. So, ayun.
Hahanapin niya ng mga fans mo mamaya. Yung ginawa ko.
Makikita nila mga 21 na tayo. Oo, 21.
Anong role ni DJ yung pinakatumatak sa'yo? Ano yung gusto mo sa kanya?
Yung movie nila, yung The House of Us. Yung...
Bigat!
Yung scene nila doon na yung... Pagod ka na ba? Di ba? Parang, kayo ako ngayon.
Sige nga, lights, camera, action. Isa pa.
Eh? Kaya na ako.
So, ganun mga roles ang gusto mo?
Oo, mga ganun.
Oo, hindi yung, kasi may DJ na nagpapakilig, di ba? Pero yung House of Us, ibang DJ din.
Malalim.
Oo, malalim. Ganun yung mga gusto
Ganun po
mo.
yung gusto ko.
Oo, Okay, so may Jody tayo, may Daniel Padilla tayo. Argel.
Ako si Kuya Gerald. Hindi kasi lagi ko siya nakaka-basketball, so curious ako kung paano naman sa work. Yun. Sana.
May message ko ba kay Gerald Anderson? Ngayon sinabi mo yan, na idol mo pala siya.
Baka idol ko yan eh. So, baka tulog siya ngayon, pahinga ka na.
Ang ganda naman. Okay, ikaw, Jazz.
For me, may dalawa ako, Miss Angel Aquino and Miss Isa Calzado. Grabe talaga yung range of acting, the emotions, na mata-matahan lang. Parang while you're watching, you feel every emotion that pinapakita nila. So, someday, I already met Miss Isa Calzado parang twice or thrice. So that would be a privilege to work with her. But Miss Angel Aquino, not yet. So, hopefully, kita muna and then soon. Yeah.
Well, maliit naman ang industriya, no? Mataas yung chance na mamimit nyo rin ang inyong idols. Ito sabi ni Yera Bastina, grabe, 19 lang pala si Ray nung nag-join siya sa pageant.
Yes, ate. Puro lakas ng loob lang ang meron ko talaga. Pero at least, I learned so much. I'd say I really did mature in that sense po talaga. Iba yung discipline ko sa body ko and sa mind ko when I was at that age. Kasi imagine when you're joining a national pageant but you're still finishing high school. So that was
High
really,
school?
yeah.
Oh my gosh, high
Grade
school
12,
baby.
yeah. Yes. I wouldn't recommend, of course, pero iba rin kapag may gusto kang gawin sa buhay. So I hope that you guys would take that as an inspiration na you can still do it while studying. Because I'm still studying pa rin ngayon.
Oo nga, ano yung inaaral mo?
I'm studying broadcasting, communication and broadcasting.
Where?
In LPU, Cavite. But yeah.
Layo.
Okay, malayo
Lyceum of the Philippines University.
Yes.
Okay. So, pero ano, yung course mo, talagang andito na. Ito na yun.
Yes.
You're doing it na talaga.
Oo, gusto ko po talaga siya gawin. Yeah.
My course is also broadcast communication.
Yes.
Kaya pwede siya mag-go.
And so I appreciate your voiceover kasi it's nice ate. I couldn't even recognize your
Kaya
speaking
napansin
voice.
mo, kasi broad ka rin.
Yes.
There you go. Dylan, sa UE, ano yung course mo?
Marketing po.
Marketing. So, wait, ano ba plano mo dapat after?
Mag-artist na.
Marketing ka
I-market yourself.
Ay, yung market ko yung sarili ko. Alam mo, ate, ay yung parang naiisip ko dati na hindi ko alam paano, pero alam ko darating ako dun. Yung mga ganun. Oo.
Na-envision mo na siya, parang gano'n, at the back of your head.
Yes, hindi ko lang siya alam kung kailan siya darating, hindi ko alam kung paano siya mangyayari. Pero alam ko at makakarating ako.
Ganda, na-inspiring nyo kausap. No?
Thank
Parang
you.
ganun, ang babata pero yung goals, ando na talaga. Yung ready kayo i-explore yung iba-iba ninyong mga talents. So that's good. And it's so nice that you're here at Star Magic to share your talents with everyone. Okay, so meron pa po ba tayong questions na gustong itanong from our media friends? Okay, I think we're good. So bago tayo umalis, final messages to guys para sa inyong mga fans. Invite them to your projects to watch your projects and also, of course, Star Magic All-Star Games. Let's start with Rain.
Okay, hello kapamilya. Maraming salamat po for watching this gathering today. We'd love for you to support. Buy the tickets. They're available na po for July 20 next month. And of course, naka-release na po ang aming show, Love at First Fight, every Friday, 8 p.m. Maraming salamat po. We hope that you can support not only All-Star Games, Laughs, but of course, Star Magic in total for everybody who is here. Ayun, maraming salamat po and I'll see you on the next.
Jazz?
Before siguro ako mag-message at TI, I think this day won't be complete without everyone saying happy birthday to our Ate Ai.
Happy birthday!
Happy
Ate
birthday!
Ai.
Dapat kasi last ako, pero kaya nagulat ako ng shock. So let's all sing Ate Ai, very happy
Hindi
birthday.
ko si Ate Erin. Pinataka ako kasi hindi tayo hunter.
Sing tayo na hunter.
Oh my God. Okay lang ba sa'yo?
Birthday ko.
Oo, birthday mo pala.
In 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday
to you.
Thank you po.
Happy birthday to you.
Working birthday, ate!
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
din ako. Kasi no, thank you po sa aking Star Magic family. Paano nangyari na to last year? Grabe. Jet Madela ang kanina. Thank you, Ate Tess. Thank you, Ate Edith. Thank you to my Star Magic family. Maraming salamat po. Birthday wish. Sana mo sold out ng Star Magic All-Star Games.
Yes!
More projects for everyone. And syempre, healthy sana tayong matapos ang 2025. Yes, healthy tayo and ang ating loved ones. Thank you, guys. Happy birthday! Thank you! Thank you po!
Okay. Yun na. Kinamali kasi ako kasi sabi, ako daw last. Tapos before last message.
So, hindi ko kasi sinundan mo.
Oh.
Dapat naalala ka.
Okay.
Final message.
Yeah, my final message is thank you to everyone who has been supporting each and every one did, each and every artist. Now, let's just focus on the positivity and we hope to see everyone on the 20th of July. It's gonna be a day full of fun lang. And yeah, you can see so many artists, not even just playing, like a lot of artists will also watch. So I'm so excited to see you there. Bili na kayo ng tickets, what are you waiting for? Yeah, and see you sa ibang ganap ko. So, thank you.
Ardel.
Hirap sa tanong mga nagsalita.
Kaya nga, buti na lang ako'y lang. Buti na lang ako'y lang.
Pwede ba magpasalamat na lang? Salamat sa inyo, salamat sa mga nanood ngayon, salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, sa aming lahat. At yung panoorin nyo yung series nila na Love at First Bite. Yan. At All-Star Game ngayong July 20 na. At sa mga nasa Metro Manila, pwede na kayong bumili ng ticket ng Some Nights I Feel Like Walking. Thank you!
Thank you, Ardel. Dylan.
And before po mag-message, gusto lang po i-shoutout ang aming mga coaches sa All-Star Games sa
Yes.
volleyball. Sila Coach Aing, si Lawrence, si Coach John, si Coach JM. Mga ano yan, mga coaches ko yun nung high school sa UST. So ayun, maraming salamat po mga kapamilya sa lahat po na sumubaybay dito sa Star Magic Spotlight. And shoutout din po sa Love Squad.
Yes.
Team Dylan, and sa prod po namin ng Love at First Bite, kay Emilio, kay Sean, shoutout sa lahat ng cast.
Slay!
Yay! Thank you. Shoutout na rin natin yung coach natin. Baka magtambo. Coach John Abelia, Coach JM. Yes, thank you po sa pag-guide sa amin. Abangan niyo po ang Star Magic All-Star Games. Bukod po sa sports, na yun nga, merong 2 volleyball games, may isang basketball game. Inaabangan na lang halftime performance ng, hindi ko pa alam ba't sabihin kung ano. Pero meron pong beanie. Of course, we're gonna have beanie. Na-post naman na yung art card, di ba? Na may special guest appearance. Oo. Tapos, pero sobrang special po ng Star Magic All-Star Games ngayon. Level up po talaga. So, sana po punuin natin at makasama po namin kayo. And as they said, bukod sa mga maglalaro, ang daming, syempre ano yun, family gathering natin, ng mga kapamilya natin sa Star Magic. So marami pong nandun, halos lahat po ng Star Magic artists will be there to support. Makikita niyo po sila and mag-enjoy lang po tayong lahat doon. So sana po ay get your tickets now sa ticketnet.com.ph. And ngayon lang, this just in, pa-sold out na pala. Yes, so konti na lang po ang tickets. Limited tickets left. So, humabol na po kayo. Huwag niyo po palampasin. Ticketnet.com.ph for the Star Magic All-Star Games 2025 this coming July 20 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maraming salamat po for joining us sa Star Magic Spotlight Press Con. Once again, I'm Ai de la Cruz. Thank you so much for our special guests for today. Rain Parani, Jazz Dudley Scales, Argel Saigon, and Dylan Iturralde. Thank you guys! Maraming salamat po!
Thank you po.
Thank you,
Bye!
Arjun.
Thank you po!
Happy birthday, ate.
Thank you so
Happy
much!
birthday, Ate.